Araw-araw, iba't ibang pagsubok ang kinakaharap natin sa buhay. But beneath the surface, he dreams of a better future, just like everyone else. He dreams of a life where opportunities are abundant and his hard work pays off.
Walang hanggan, bawat ngiti nagniningning, magsisilbi.
But in an instant, he saw a world that seemed far away from him, a glimpse of a life that feels worlds apart. Magkaiba man ang kanilang pinanggalingan, iisa lang ang kanilang patutunguhan. But not every journey is easy. There are obstacles, there are trials. But in the midst of despair, there is always someone who cares.
Are you okay?
Hindi palaging nakikita ang tunay na nararamdaman. May mga bakit na hindi agad nasasagot. May mga sugat na hindi agad naghihilom. But hope is always there, waiting to be discovered. A glimmer of light in the darkness. A reason to keep going.
Malinaw na ang paraan, kalimutan na nakaraan. Ayusin natin ang daan.
Kapwa, beyond blood, our hearts and hands weave the bonds that make us one. Not just a word, but a way of being. A unity, a connection. It's recognizing that we are all interconnected, that we share a common humanity. Education is the key to success. Despite barriers, despite being different, with perseverance and determination, anything is possible. Kapwa, beyond blood, our hearts and hands weave the bonds that make us one.